This portable fan is super nice. I love how cool it gets. It's just really great for a small area. As you can see here, the size of my hand, that it is small, but it is powerful as well. And right now I have it charged up, so I don't need any cord whatsoever. I love that option because I just never know where I'm gonna put it. Sometimes it's in the golf cart where we don't have any plug-ins or electrical outlets, so love that option. So just gonna power it on so you can hear how quiet it operates. Press it again and we have a higher speed. So it is really putting out some air. You can move this so that it's more directed in your area. If you are wanting to use, if you don't want it to be just a fan, you could put ice cold water in here, lots of ice. It makes it extra cold. So really like the options that I have with this. And then just pressing the power button.
The fan is very good, and some spray will come out if you press the drip button.